Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now we have to scroll down in order to find general management. Now let's scroll in order to find reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And now we can take a look at this info. So here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, just tap on reset settings. Here we've got also the info that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on reset if you are ready. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.